got here is immersive. Everybody does immersive surround sound, right? And for immersive, you've got you're putting someone else. You're putting someone in a different environment. You're simulating an environment for someone to experience.
Exactly.
This is the opposite.
Okay.
So in environment, we're going to take the musician and put it in your environment.
I like that.
And recreate. Now, I'm not selling it. It's this is just a hobby project for me. And every instrument shoots different sounds in different directions. That's what this does. It captures those and recreates that sonic bubble and re-radiates. So let's listen to it. Oh, so I got let's put it here, and should start. Let's get some drums going. So as you come around, like you'll hear the hi-hat over here.
Oh, that's a clever idea. I like that.
And as you walk around, so there's no sweet spot. No matter where you are, it's basically as if there's a little tiny drummer in there playing, and it's exactly as if and as you walk around it.
Just came over here because I thought it was a live drum kit.
That's the whole deal. Is when you walk by a bar, you can always tell there's a live band in there, right? Yeah. Well, why is that? And you can always tell recorded. Well, that's because different sound gets radiated in different directions, whatever. This is to recreate the way that a real instrument radiates. So I got, that's good. So now if you walk around, you can hear the pick noise here, and then as you go around, you'll hear it standing behind the guitar. As if you're standing behind the guitar player.
So what's in there?
Speakers.
Just that?
No.
Obviously.
It's what it does. What you do is you record a certain way. So you take 6 mics, you put them around, left, right, up, down, rear, and sub, and then. Each mic, there's no EQ, no processing. Each mic goes one-to-one to a speaker, just straight through. Recording track, amp, speaker. Now the speaker has some EQ for the box, but just like direct to vinyl kind of thing. You just capture the instrument as it is and it recreates. Purest form. And then I'm going to build 2 more, and then I'll be able to have a bass player, a guitar player, a acoustic guitar, and a drummer, saxophone, whatever it is, and recreate a band with the instruments localized, so you can walk in between, like going to rehearsal with a band.
That's a great idea.
Marketability, I don't know, but it's fun, and it's nobody's doing it.
You developed it.
Yeah,
Got your name on it.
I made it. I developed it. I built it in my garage.
Buddy Dustin here, we were just talking about this on the right walk here. It's like, I wonder if you will be here.
Oh, awesome.
I saw a video on it. I wonder if he'll be here today.
That's pretty cool. I like it.
All right, so that's my anti-immersive.
But you still get the
Nice looking at thing. Up there. Tar Evad is winning.